Today, I had a coaching call with a UX designer that works as the only designer in a software development team. And he's really struggling being part of what we refer to as a feature factory. So this is what happens when the UX designer is not expected to do any research, to bring any insights from actual users into the discussion, and they're only supposed to design screens and hand it over to the development team. So this isn't a great way to actually tap into the true potential of UX design, and it doesn't help to leverage it strategically to try and solve the business problems in the best possible way. So I recommended 3 different things to him to tackle this problem within his organization, and maybe these tips are useful for you in your company or where you work as well. So the first thing is to keep talking about it. What we used to say in the old days was that you had to go out and evangelize your team, your broader set of stakeholders, about the true value and what user experience is actually all about. That it's not just about designing screens, but that it's actually about creating insights and solving the business problems in the best possible way, and also validating it before you go into a development process. The second thing that I told him to try is to actually approach these different stakeholders and explain to them the value and the benefit that there can be specifically to their roles. So you can talk to the development team about cutting out rework when requirements come in from the business and it has to constantly be changed. And also talk to the product teams to tell them that it's going to actually reduce the risk of taking things into market that isn't fit for purpose or that users don't understand, and will also eventually cause rework or potentially product failure. And the last thing that I recommended to him is to, instead of asking for permission to do these things, rather ask for forgiveness. So when you've got a little bit of spare time, or maybe put in some extra time, do a bit of user research, talk to the users, maybe go out, do some guerrilla user testing, whatever small ways that you can go and showcase the value of true user experience, not just the UX and UI design aspect, the better it's going to be for your product and for the company overall. So yeah, those are my tips. I hope it's useful and that you can apply it in your workplace. And let me know if you've got any questions or comments.